Yes, welcome back guys. We've reached the end of the year and it's the best time to look back at your trades and review the good and go over and improve the bad in your trading. So this is personally what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm going to be going over the best trading month I had this year, and the reason I say it's the best trading month is not necessarily due to the amount of profit I made, but rather the accuracy and consistency I had in executing my plan. And this is something I would definitely advise to all of you guys, to not just base a best trading month on the amount of profit you've made, but rather how well you execute your trading plan, as it will help to build good habits. So I'll be showing you guys two MyForexFund 100k live accounts. So this is the first one over here. You can see on the top left hand side it says Traders Global Group Live. So it's a live 100k account. And the reason I want to show you this one first is because you can see that on the bottom left, you can see that I made a withdrawal of 3.2k from this account. Now, just briefly going over it, you can see I started fulfilling the minimum trading days once you reach the live account. And then once I saw a good opportunity, I took a nice 1.1k profit here. Then again, fulfilling the minimum trading days so I can get a withdrawal as soon as possible. And that's exactly what I done over here. I got paid out 1.1k. Once that the balance reset to 100k, I then took two more trades totaling around 2k more, which I then immediately withdrew. Now the reason I'm withdrawing it immediately is because I want to make the account risk free. I don't want to be risking my own profits that I've made, and rather I just want to be using the profits that the prop firm have given me as leverage to take trades consistently. So that's exactly what I've done. Every single time I make a profit, I wait 1 to 2 weeks and then I'll withdraw the profits before I start trading again. And that's exactly why I have two accounts. So whilst I'm waiting for the profits to get paid out on this account, I can then go over to my other 100k live account and take trades there. So that's what I'm going to do for you right now. Now, before I get into the second account where I made $8,000 on my MyForexFund account, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Crypto Fund Trader. So with this prop firm, it offers you 8% profit target for phase 1 and 4% profit target for phase 2. Now this is one of the best criteria in the prop firm industry, as no one else is offering better targets than this. You can see that again, you have the 5% max daily drawdown, the 10% overall drawdown for both of them, with a one-time registration fee. Now if I scroll down a bit, you can see that they're offering a $10,000 account all the way up to a $200,000 account with the fees over here. Again, fairly priced fees. Now I've got $50,000 account with them, and as you jump into the terminal, the unique thing about this prop firm is that they offer no commissions at all on any trades that you take. On top of that, if we look on the left hand side, you can see that there is little to no spreads, very tight spreads. As you can see on Euro USD, you got a spread of 0.2 pips. On GBP USD, you got a spread of 0.5, 0.6, and so on and so forth. So not only are they offering you no commission, but the spreads are very tight. On top of that, they've got a leverage of 1 to 100. So if you guys stay tuned to my channel and subscribe, I'll definitely be doing a challenge video on this prop firm and seeing if I can pass this 50k challenge over here. Now, one of the other things I want to touch up upon is the fact that this prop firm, unlike any other, shows proof of their reserves. So they tell you the amount of capital they have, which they'll be using to fund all these traders over here. So you can currently see all of these traders here are funded. Full transparency, which no other prop firm is showing. You can even see proof of assets on this side over here. Once you click the link, you can see through this website all of their funds and how they're able to allocate the amount of capital that you see. Now lastly, they are also KYC regulated by CoinScope. So you can see right on their website at CoinScope, Crypto Fund Trader is regulated through them, so they're KYC verified, as you can see over here. So I'll definitely recommend checking these guys out. I'll drop a link in the description down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Now, this is the second MyForexFund live account I have funded with 100k. And this is where I got my best trading month in September. Now, if I just make this big, you can see from the 1st of September all the way to the 30th of September, I took around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades in that month. Now it's all about quality over here, so 12 trades in a month is not a lot, but it's definitely a decent amount. If we look on the right side over here, you can see I was making consistent profits all throughout the month, other than on the 15th of September, where I took a 1% loss. So I'm also showing you guys my losses and being transparent. Yes, I do also take losses. However, in this month, it was exceptional, where I only took one loss in 12 trades. If we get out the calculator, one loss in 12 trades, that is around a 92% accuracy, which is absolutely crazy. I was executing my trading plan to the T, following exactly every single rule that was in my strategy and making sure I was consistent with that. So it really just goes to show how powerful having a strategy and following it consistently with good market conditions. I have to say September had very good market conditions, can lead to 8.6k in profit, plus the 3k profit I showed you in my other account, which is totaling $11,000 for the month of September. Now let's go over my loss here, which I took on the 15th of September, because it's also good to reflect on why things went wrong. So this loss here was a 1% loss. I've just dragged this onto the charts over here. So let's just get rid of this. And you can see from this trade history over here, I took sells at this low right over here, and I ended up getting taken out with my stop loss right around here. Now, when I'm looking back at this, I can clearly see I did not wait for the candle to close below this high. Now, in my strategy, it's very important, once we do see a break of structure like we did over here, I want to see a retest and then seeing some sort of rejection and weakness and exhaustion around the level of supply, which I ended up being a bit too aggressive and entering once we broke back below this low. And in hindsight, I should have definitely waited for the close of this candle, engulfing these two previous candles, then taking sells, which would definitely increase the probability of market going down. However, this is a learning curve. We can always beat ourselves about the losses we take, but overall, letting the probabilities play out, we was profitable for the month. Now, also the best trade during this month was on the 13th of September, right before that loss I took. So again, I guess psychology can definitely play a factor where you do start getting a bit overconfident and getting aggressive like I did the very next day. However, I made a 2.5% gain here, which I've again dragged up onto the screen here. So you can see I took sells with my stops right above here, which you can see with this dashed red line here. Once I entered, I think this is where some sort of fundamentals came out and the market absolutely tanked. And I ended up locking profits around 67 pips in profit with around a 9 pip stop loss, which is a crazy risk to reward if you look at it, which is a 7.4 RR trade which I took over here. Now again, looking at it in hindsight, I could have definitely held this trade further, all the way down 170 pips, but in accordance to my experience, I've noticed that when price does immediately plummet down, it can start rejecting and closing back above. So I was happy with the profits I made, so I ended up closing out, not being too greedy and making amazing returns on my risk over here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and found it informative. If you have any further questions or any video ideas, do be sure to drop it in the comment section below. And also please do make sure to like the video and subscribe. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time.